The Siku pan flute comes from the Andes Mountains in South America. Playing sikuris is a communal activity involving walking, dancing, and singing in a group, along with playing the flutes. This is a communal instrument requiring a call and response, with the melody being created only through the interweaving of the two voices of the flutes played together. So at least 2 people are required for playing the instrument, and a group can consist of anywhere from 2 to 24 or more couples all playing together. This is a song of celebration and praise. The words to this song are in the Quechua language and mean, "From eternity you are coming, singing and dancing, beautiful creator of time, beautiful Mother Earth." There are many different sizes and types of pan flutes, which can be used to create different types of music, including ceremonial songs such as this one. The requirement for 2 instruments to work together creating the melody represents an important principle of the ancient Andean Quechua and Aymara cultures. The principle is that of duality, of the masculine and feminine energies coming together to create a whole. Neither one alone is sufficient. It also represents the principle of Aini, or the principle of reciprocity, in which all individuals work together, giving and receiving the best from each other, thereby creating a community. For this reason, sikuris must be played together in a group. Sikuris are often played in outdoor natural environments, which is fitting since the flutes themselves and the sounds they create represent nature. The sound of the flutes represents the wind, and the pipes themselves come from natural sources. Playing and listening to sikuris can be therapeutic and bring us into harmony with ourselves and with nature.